Hey guys, and today I'll show you how to narrate your NotebookLM generated slides. So basically put a voiceover at a fraction of the price, so you end up paying peanuts. Let's take a look.
The landscape of local SEO is fracturing. As Google's AI overviews take over the top of search results, the traditional rank and rent model is facing an unprecedented portfolio management, not just high rankings. It's time to adapt or be left behind. New AI era, that direct button is gone. Now users must click a name, visit a website, and hunt for a number before calling. This shift from immediate action to information.
Okay, so this is amazing, and I'll teach you how to do this in this video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome towards the scale. So if you know me, you know that I'm a big fan of NotebookLM's generated slides, and I don't want to confuse this with AI overviews. So let's just pick the same topic, which is rank and rant. And let's first see a presentation, this one here. And this is very readable, design is amazing. Everything is how it should be. However, these are static slides. And now let's just compare that to the video overview.
Let me ask you something. What if your business's visibility on Google was just shrinking right now, even if your rankings look great?
And I don't like this style. I mean, the voiceover is great and everything, but it's very noticeable that it's NotebookLM, the colors, and yes, you can customize it, but it always looks the same, pretty much. So this is very recognizable as NotebookLM, which does not happen for the slides for some reason. So for the longest time, I was trying to find a way to basically narrate those slides, and this is what I found. So you need two API keys. The first one is going to be LemonFox.ai, which is one of the most inexpensive TTS APIs ever. I've been using it a lot, a lot, and just look at the spans. 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. So it doesn't cost you anything. And $5 is going to last you a long time. So this is very, very inexpensive. And the second API is going to be OpenRouter. Once again, for the purposes of this web app that we're going to build, it's very inexpensive. Just take a look at the costs. Very, very little. Way cheaper than using Manus or other tools to narrate your NotebookLM slides. So I'm first going to show you how the application works, and then we're going to rebuild it together. So let's use JSpark. This is what I built. This is called the Deck Narrator. It's a very simple web app that is currently hosted on my local computer. You upload the deck, and this is just a PDF that I downloaded off of NotebookLM. Then you choose a voice, and you can preview it. One of my favorite male voices is Liam.
Hello, this is a sample of how I sound when narrating your presentation.
And now all you have to do is to click on Analyze. And what this is going to do, it's going to analyze each of the slides inside of the PDF. And it's basically going to suggest a narration for each of the slides. Now we can see the whole structure of the presentation from slide 1 to slide 13, which is the last one. And the AI has scripted a voiceover that you can change or regenerate. So this is fully editable. And if you like what you see, you go and click on Approve to generate the video. And this is going to generate the narration and assemble everything into a downloadable MP4 file. Okay, and this is a final presentation which you can use for your YouTube videos, for your business, for internal educational purposes as mini courses. Let's take a listen.
Welcome. Today we're addressing the AI squeeze. As AI overviews dominate search results, the traditional local SEO landscape is fracturing. Niches like plumbing or towing, mobile first isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement. If your site isn't mobile perfect, you'll lose the customer the moment they click. To safeguard your digital assets, follow this 4-step checklist.
Beautiful. And you can download this or create another. And to repeat this process, all you have to do is to go back to JSpark, then go to the AI developer mode. Then what you want to do is to choose full stack websites or apps. And you would want to paste in this prompt. I'll pause the screen so you can copy it. As you can see, this is using OpenRouter API for the scripting. It's using LemonFox for the voices. And if you wanted to get this app exactly, I also have a much larger prompt that I will be posting in my school community, so you can get this up and running even quicker. Now, once your app is ready, you have a few choices. You can download all the files, you can publish it, to a free Cloudflare hosting. You can self-host with a click of a button, or you can integrate it with GitHub and use it as a repository. And this way, you can now narrate your NotebookLM slides. Just make sure you remove the watermark. NotebookLM allows you to do that on an Ultra plan, if I'm not mistaken, or you can do this manually in Canva by dragging over a logo or erasing the logo that always occurs in the right lower corner of the presentation. So go check out my School community. I have my flagship search gap method that allows you to rank in 24 to 48 hours. Have a rapid ranking system that gives you 7 more keyword research methods to complement your search gap. We have JSpark Academy that allows you to create multimedia articles. And finally, this prompt here will be part of our newest Best AI Workflows class that has the best use cases for JSpark, Manus, and NotebookLM. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.